This video has gotten 1,000 views. Can you guys see it? It's like this is tracking my face. So let me remove the tracker on my face so that you guys can actually see this. So this video has gotten sharp 1,000 views, 1K views. And to be honest, when I was seeing revenue coming out from this video, the first question I asked myself is YouTube actually worth it? You know, most of us creators right now, what we usually do is to show YouTubers, you should show content creators how much we make so much with our particular specific video of 50,000, 60,000, 10,000, 3,000, 100,000 views. But how many people are actually taking their time to review channels like this, channels like vlog channels, how much they can actually make with just 1,000 views? Anyways, this particular video has gotten 1,000 views sharp, and I want to show you guys how much YouTube actually paid me for 1,000 view with a lifestyle channel. Mind you, this particular channel, I'm just doing my vlog on this particular channel. Like, I don't even want to do anything tutorial here. I have other tutorials I was supposed to bring here, but I told myself that no, this particular channel is just for my documentaries. So no matter what I make here, like, I do not care. I already have a particular channel that is doing well for me, right? Anyways, let's dive right into how much YouTube actually paid for this particular video. So let me go ahead and start up my screen record and pay attention, please. This video is the video I did about why our daughter left, which is this particular video here, why our daughter left us lately. And this video is uploaded March 25th, though. As long as that. Anyways, it has gotten 1,000 views. So let's go to the reach of this particular video. For the reach of this particular video, network, please don't start. This video got an impression of 12.5K and only 1K people clicked. 1K people clicked. And for how viewers found this particular video, you can see browse feature, channel page, suggested video, notification, and others. And external sites, there's not enough traffic to show data. So if you're seeing this kind of thing, just know that YouTube don't have enough information for them to display for you. YouTube search terms, you can see Vibe with Sonia, life of Vibe with Sonia, Sonia's life, just people that are just personally interested in my life, right? And then content suggesting my content, you can see they are all my content, except for my last vlog, goodbye, and do this now to get, that's Chamaka's content, right? Yeah, exactly. Now, if I click on engagement, you can see that this video has gotten a watch time of 51.7. Very poor. You can see the audience duration of this video of over 9 minutes video is just 2 minutes 53 seconds, and of which I'm grateful. I'm not saying that I'm not grateful, right? Now, audience, which one again? Likes versus dislike. Let's leave that one and let's move straight to the audience. You can see that the audience returning viewers is 0. Like 0. And you can see that the new viewers is just going up gradually. And you can see viewers also watch these particular videos that I have, which are all my videos, because I create vlogs. So definitely they will still go and watch other of my vlogs. And this is computer, mobile, TV, tablet that are actually watching this particular video. Age that is actually watching this video is 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44. You understand? And then you can see the gender, female and male, and I'm grateful for that. You can see the top geographical locations that are actually watching this video. Nigeria is my number 1, United States number 2, and United Kingdom number 3. Like, top-notch countries. Top-notch. You can see the top subtitles and languages and blah, blah, blah. Let's just leave. Subscribe and not subscribe. Please, if you're watching and you've not subscribed, please do it. Subscribe. Now, let's go to the revenue that will shock everybody. For the revenue, this video has just made $1.62. $1.62, a video that has been uploaded from on the 15th of March, from on the 24th of March to today, which is July 15. You can see that it is just $1.62. Now, how I make my money, watch paid ads, YouTube Premium is just 0.2 cents. So now you can see that video performance, for 1K view, I get to make $1.51. For how much advertisers are paying, I get to make $2.92. For earnings, you can see skippable, display bomber, and the rest of that. So this video made $1. This is approximately just like 2,000 naira. You understand? Anyways, let's talk why I actually brought out this particular video for you guys. So let me end my screen record. So you guys can see when I always tell you that don't just rely. See, Do not just rely on a specific channel, especially when it's a vlog channel. Seriously, when I see people do analysis of how much they make as vlogs channel, man, I be like, you people are trying. You understand? I'm not saying that you should go and do what you don't know how to do. There are people that are still doing this particular same niche and they are making mad money. Like, they're making money more than people that are even doing tutorials here. You understand what I'm trying to say? But what I'm trying to say in essence is, do not rely on just one channel. Yes, because just imagine that I just have this particular channel. This is the only thing I have. This is the only channel that I have. Like, for how long will I stay on YouTube before I cash out? Remember, I told you guys that this particular channel, Vibe with Shona, started with vlog, and it took me over 6 good months. 6 good months to get just $100 threshold on YouTube when I actually monetized this channel. You understand? And a lot started changing when I started putting out more valuable content, more tutorials, and so on and so forth. You get what I'm trying to say? So I am not discouraging anybody not to do vlogs, because if we even check the analysis of this particular video, this YouTube channel just got monetized not quite long ago, and it is still trying to gather up their RPM and CPM, of which I cannot compare it with the channel that has been monetized for over 4 years now, which is this particular Vibe with Sonia channel. You get? So this one is just starting to get monetized and it's still trying to gather bit by bit RPM and CPM. But just imagine that this is the only channel that I have. Why do you say people should not get frustrated? Why do you say people should not give up? You understand what I'm trying to say? But the good part I always say is, in as much as, even if it's 1 cent, even if it's 2 cents, even if it's 3 cents, you're making something from your content. And that is one thing that matters to me. That is one thing that matters to me. I believe that if I can be making just 1 cent or $1 with this particular channel, if this channel, by the grace of God, God keep us alive, and this channel gets to 10 years, 5 years, I will be making more than this. Definitely. There is nobody that started on YouTube that ended up the same way. And that is one thing I want you to know. So do not just look at the revenue that, oh, Sonia, the revenue is really poor, I'm not going to be doing YouTube again. But look at the future that you have when it comes to YouTube earnings. You understand? So a time will come that this particular channel, and I'll also do a revenue review update about it, whereby you will see how much I've been able to cash out every single month from this particular channel. So no matter what your channel is bringing, do not give up, but do not rely on one particular channel. Look out for other ways to bring out content that can also magnet people. That is why I like what one of our lady is doing here, Ogom series. I'll always talk about her. In as much as she's doing lifestyle content, she still tries her possible best to bring tutorials in between. And her tutorials are doing well. Her tutorials are fabulous. You understand? So anyways, this is how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views on YouTube for a lifestyle channel. You understand? Normal on this my tutorial channel, the least I get for RPM and CPM is at least $2 and some cents. You get? But on this particular one, this is how much. Let me know in the comment section if it's too small. Let me know in the comment section if it's okay. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this particular revenue. If you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you don't even know what to do, how to do it, where to even do it. This is where Sonia personally come into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. All you need to do is to send us a mail at 3195@gmail.com, which is this mail that you're seeing displaying here. And then check out this particular flyer that you are seeing here, which is our coaching flyers, and tell us which particular coach do you want us to actually coach you for you to start making money on YouTube. Now, if you don't even have anything to do at all, some persons will personally tell us that, Sonia, check my channel. Let me be sure that I'm in the right track. Let me be sure that I'm doing the right thing. Some persons, when we check, we find out that they're not doing the right thing. We try to re-strategize and tell them, okay, why not do this? Why not consider this? Why not we go to this particular direction? And this has actually been working. We've monetized over 40 channels. I'm supposed to be saying over 50 now, but let's just leave it as 40 still. You guys can see it from my community tab, right? Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Send us a mail. Let's get your coaching section started. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you. Mwah.